Hi everyone, it's Jennifer Lively from the Tech Team at the main library. Now from time to time you may notice that you have apps on your Windows 10 PC that you no longer need, or maybe they're running a little sluggish, or maybe you've purchased some replacement software and you'd like to uninstall the old ones. Well, in today's Tuesday Tech Tip, I'm going to show you how to do just that. We'll take a look at just how easy it is to uninstall unneeded software or apps from your Windows 10 PC. You'll start here at your Windows desktop. Simply come to the Start menu in the bottom left corner and click. From your Start menu, you'll see the Settings icon just above your Power options. Click on Settings, and your Windows Settings window will appear. From there, you'll find Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps to view the Apps and Features settings. As you scroll through this window, you'll see a list of all the software currently on your Windows PC. Now, some of these may not be familiar to you, but you don't want to delete apps just because you don't know what they are. They may be very important to making your computer work well. So only delete those that you're sure you've installed and now can uninstall safely. For instance, when you see Intel, that's associated with your computer's processor, and you'll need to keep those in place. Here's a good example of some software you might want to remove. Earlier, when I downloaded Adobe Acrobat Reader, it also added some tag-along software from McAfee. There wasn't an option to remove that free download, so we just have to have it here and then remove it later. So this McAfee Safe Connect is what I'd like to uninstall. Found it here in the alphabetical list, and if I click once, I'll see that option to uninstall. If I click again, it's going to ask me to confirm that I want to uninstall that app and its related info. So I'll click on uninstall again and wait to see what happens next. Now every app is going to have its own process for uninstalling that app. It may be a little progress bar like this, or a little dialog may open up, but generally it just takes a few moments and then you'll see that that software has been removed. Now there's some other software from McAfee here that we could try to uninstall as well, but I'm going to use another example. So if we scroll to the bottom of our alphabetical list, you'll see the very popular Zoom app. Well, I know that I could go back to Zoom's website and install this again if I choose, so I'm going to click for now and uninstall it. Again, I'll need to confirm that uninstall and wait for that progress bar to finish the uninstallation process. Just like that, Zoom is removed. But again, if I wanted to find Zoom and install it again, I simply go through my browser to Zoom's website, and you'll find on the website where it gives you the option to download. I happen to know it's up here through Resources, Download Zoom Client. It's important to note, if you're going to be able to download that for free, unless you're willing to pay, that other apps wouldn't be added to this download, and that we trust the source. And from here, I can see that it is indeed directly from Zoom. Here we are back at our list of apps and features, and that's how easy it is to uninstall the apps that you may not need. If you have any questions about this process, or if we can answer any other questions about your technology needs, you can call the Tech Team at Maine at 843-805-6885 or email us at techteam@ccpl.org. We hope to hear from you soon.